Hello friends, welcome to Silk Zone. Today again I am here with a very beautiful collections. As you can see, these sarees are very beautiful. In this video, I will be describing about the sarees, what the actually material is and what the cost of this saree is and how you can purchase it from the Silk Zone. So let me start with our collection. Before that, I request you to subscribe our channel so you will be getting our latest update every day and every time. So let me start with the collections. This is a very beautiful saree which is having a print of parrot tree, colorful parrots and colorful trees, leaves, branches you can see, and the beautiful border. The border is of block prints and the body is of you can see it painting. All the body of the saree is like a painting design, and border you are getting a block print, and the whole saree is having a very beautiful contrast design colors. And the friends, the cost of the saree is just only 4,500 rupees. You can directly log on to www.silkzone.in and you can have a look to all of our sarees and collections there. These all sarees are available there, friends. And if you want to purchase this saree, if you're loving to purchase this saree, so then you can take a screenshot and you can directly DM us in our WhatsApp number, that is 9916448165. You can directly message us on this number, or you can directly call us also in this number. The color of the saree, the beautiness of saree, you can see once you're going to wear this, you're going to look very beautiful and very pretty, friend. Just see the color combination of this saree. This is the orange one which is having a very beautiful floral design, very beautiful color combination which is having a pink colors and a white color and that almond green color all over the saree. And you can see the pallu design is how beautiful. It is having a same design as the body is having, same color, same design, and it is also having a border. In the border we are getting some block print design. As you can see it like a black and white color is there. The whole body is having parrot design, floral design. We have so many colors and so many designs in these sarees. For more and more collection, you can DM us in the WhatsApp, or you can directly log on to www.silkzone.in and you can have a look to our entire collection there. Friend, these sarees are pure tassar sarees. There is no any color combinations or there is no any other material combinations. This is a pure tassar silk sarees which are beautiful color combinations of the sarees and beautiful block print designs and a beautiful painting designs. And each and every saree is including blouse piece. You will be getting a same matching blouse piece with each and every sarees. And the material, as I tell you, the saree is very beautiful and the material is tassar silk material. It is a pure tassar fabric. In that you are having a printed design, painting design, block print design, a beautiful contrast matching blouse and very beautiful combinations of dupatta. And one more thing, friend, all the sarees having a zari border in both sides of the saree. The zari is also very beautiful. As you can see, the zari is in the bottom side, and the color combination, see, this saree is a very beautiful saree which is having a peacock design all over the saree. A colorful combination is there in a peacock design which is in a painting pattern. The pattern of the saree in the body design, that is a painting pattern, and along with that we are getting a block print design in the bottom side and even in the pallu also. Just see, along with this painting, block print combinations and color combinations, blouse pieces combinations, all the sarees are very beautiful and very prettiest one, friend. See this color of the sarees, how beautiful. This is having a dark blue and a sky color and floral design in a purple and yellow color. Even this is having a bird design. The color combination is itself very attractive and very you can say awesome. And once you're going to wear this, you're going to look very amazing, friend. Very amazing color combination these are, and very amazing contrast matching blouse. And once you will wear, you are going to look very attractive and very beautiful. So this saree is just you are going to get in 4,500 rupees. Comparing to market price, friends, I beg you that you are not going to get this kinds of saree in this price, because you are purchasing directly from Silk Zone, which is a manufacturer company. So you are directly purchasing from Silk Zone, that's why you're getting in this kinds of this is a small price, just 4,500 rupees, a very few amount for this beautiful sarees. Because friend, if you want to look for these kinds of sarees in the net, you can go and you can search for these kinds of sarees: tassar sarees, painting sarees, tassar sarees, block print sarees. The cost of the saree you will be getting everywhere like more than 7,000 to 8,000, but it is a pure tassar silk. You might be getting some question in your mind that why you are getting this kinds of beautiful sarees in this less amount, because you are going to get in just 4,500, because you are directly purchasing from a manufacturer. You are not going to anywhere, any retailer, any shop, any showroom or any boutique. You are directly purchasing from a manufacturer. That's why you are getting in this beautiful, this less price, friends. just see this, a very art design, very beautiful painting, very beautiful color combination, along with that a very beautiful border design, zari border design, very beautiful pallu. So all the things I can say that from the color combination and the design, you're just going to love that when you're going, once you're going to purchase this. And as everyone knows that the Tassar silk is very skin friendly, and so once you're going to wear this, you are not going to get any skin infection or nothing. Friends, just have a look to this combination. This is, wow, it is very beautiful, awesome collections which is having a blue border and the floral design. You can see, friends, green sky and white color, and along with the pink, light pink color. How beautiful this is and how pretty this is, friends. The color mixture of light and dark colors, as you can see, this one is also very beautiful, which is a off-white color and a yellow color, which is having a green leafy design all over the sari, and the blouse piece is yellow color, and the pallu is also very, very beautiful, friend. The design is itself is very attractive and very contrast, you can say, ma'am. See this, it is one of the latest design. You can see the green color sari, and this is having a black, red, yellow, all other 3-4 color combination is there, which is having like a random design. You can see it like leaf design. You can see here black and leaf, yellow color, black color, and dark red, sorry, dark green, light green, which is having a very very contrast and very amazing color combination. You can see very amazing color combination with a very attractive design. The block print design, just see, this is a Gautam Buddha, you know, the Buddha's picture is there, which is very traditional and like holy designs are made in this saree. And the color combinations of this saree is very, very awesome and attractive, and once you will wear, you are going to look amazing, perfect. And this types of color are most of our Indians and foreigners are loving these types of colors and design. This is very elegant design and very very lightweight. The weight of the saree is also very lightweight. And friends, one more thing I want to say you, that the price of the saree is just only 4,500 rupees. All these sarees are available in our website, so just log on to www.srizem.in, have a look to our entire collection there. Thank you so much for giving me precious time to watch my video. Have a good day, friends. Thank you so much.